Hey, sorry girl, this took me forever to get to, but here we are. So the first thing you're going to do is you want to prep your nail. So you want to start by pushing back your cuticle and taking all the shine off of your natural nail. So I'm not going to be super prepping my nail because I'm going to be taking this off after. So then you want to use a base coat. Because of the product that I'm using, you need to use a base coat so it can adhere properly, so it can stay on and last, for a couple weeks, 3 weeks, until you want to get rid of it. So this is the base coat that I use. I do not know how to pronounce this brand, but you will be seeing me use it. So these are the builder hard gels that I used. I used the milky white for the previous set that I did, and I'm going to be using the clear this time just to do a little something different. The process is exactly the same. I just decided to do the nail in clear instead of the milky white from last time. So this is the consistency of it. So now all I'm doing is taking little pieces of that dried flower you've seen, and you could do whatever colors you want, whatever suits your fancy. Sometimes I just like to do it randomly. And yeah, you just fold it into the hard builder gel. This set is super easy and super simple. I think that anybody can do it. If you're new to it, it's obviously going to take you a little bit of extra time. Sorry, I'm a little hoarse because I'm a little under the weather. So now I'm just taking that little mixture of flowers and hard gel and pressing it into the dual form. I like to make sure that it's spread out evenly. So if you want your nails to be as long as the dual form, you'll add as much builder gel as you need to reach the top of the dual form. And if you want them to be a little bit shorter, you'll put a little less builder gel. So right now I'm just lining it up with my nail, and you want to make sure that your dual form fits you from sidewall to sidewall. What that basically means, you don't want any space at the side of your nails when you're sizing yourself. And right there, I was just showing you how to move some of the builder gel out of the way because you don't want it to touch your skin. You don't want to get any reactions. This is my flash cure lamp. If you're doing all 5 nails at the same time, you want to make sure you flash cure in between nails because you don't want them moving around or anything before you pop them off. So I actually was a little incorrect in sizing myself. I just grabbed the dual form really quickly and I actually sized myself incorrectly. So I had to go back in with a little bit more of that hard builder gel and fill in the sides. So that's what you see me doing right now. Not really a big deal, but it was an extra step. So I'm just using some alcohol to rub it and make sure it gets smooth. Anyways, try not to use your fingers. Honestly, I just don't care apparently, but it's not that great to touch all the time. You don't want to get an allergic reaction. So I'm just smoothing this out with that alcohol now. And I fully cured it in between this. I didn't show you, but I fully cured it for a full 60 seconds in the big lamp. And now I'm just wiping it with some alcohol. And now I'm sealing in that cuticle. Yeah. Now just shaping it up a little bit. In total, this one nail probably took me a little bit less than 7 minutes to do. So I think this is a great way to do your nails quickly on your own, I guess. If you're a beginner, again, I think it's going to take you a little bit more time just to get used to it. But this is a really fun and easy way to do your nails on your own and get like a really bomb design without really having to try so hard. Okay, this is me just fixing up the shape a little bit. You always want to buff your nail after you do any shaping, filing, because you don't want any scratches when you then top coat it. Just buffing really good. Feeling it out, making sure it's smooth. So again, this is the brand that I use. This is just their top coat. And we're almost done. Wow. Just decided to add a little couple gems, make it a little bit more festive. And that is the final look. I hope this helped. Bye.